Tara is stretching, and I'm going to watch the video on how to install the screen on the van. It's going to go right over that, and there's going to be a door in it that is like going to come right up here with magnets. So that's the plan.
So Nate's installing the screen door for our van, which will be really nice because then we can have the door fully open and a nice screen. It'll be really easy to go in and out. It'll also provide a lot of like air movement through the van, which will be really nice to keep it cool. It's about 76 here today, not terrible at all. We do have the max air fans going. But yeah, this will be really nice. He estimates it'll take hopefully just like an hour and a half, and we're trying to get it done before it rains.
So the goal was to get ready to install the screen, but then as we were getting just about ready to get started, it started sprinkling. And now, Tara, what's the weather say?
Well, according to the radar, there's a lot of green on the radar, but then you look at the hourly, and it's 12:20 right now. At 1 o'clock, there's a 59% chance. And then 2 o'clock, it drops to 46, and then 47 at 3, 47 again at 4. But then by 5 o'clock, it's like 24%, and then it goes down from there. So, I don't know, but it was only sprinkling, so I don't know. I think it's done now.
So I'm installing this red two-sided tape all along this top flange right here. It's where we took this off. This is the actual seal that came when you buy the van. This is going to be a two-sided tape that goes up here. And then the screen actually has a flap that will tuck up under here, put some clips on it, and then this will go back up over it. It should all fit together. Once we do that, then we'll have to work our way down the sides. Step one is to load up. You'll find it in that bag right down there. There's something you need to put something in. You'll figure it out.
Oh my gosh. Step one. Step one, put a drink in the koozie. I hope that doesn't mean that this is going to be a hard, difficult project and you're going to need that. So, babe, hope that's okay. Oh boy, he's in that lunge position again.
There it is.
The spring roll lunge. That's what it is. Babe, I like the lunge effect. Does that make you roll in the spring rolls even better?
It's called the Asian stance. Look at that bad boy.
Ooh. Ranji looks comfortable watching us work. Like he's the king of the site. He's loving Florida, I gotta say. He's been such a good boy. Babe, did you find the scissors?
Yeah, yep.
Where were they?
They were right here.
Okay.
Must have been where you put them last.
Nate has a horrible habit of not putting things away where they go. And then he can never find what he's looking for. He's like, have you seen those orange scissors? I said, yes. I used them to open up the pita bread. I go, I'm sure I put them right back in the drawer. Couldn't find them anywhere in the drawer. I go check the counter, nothing in the counter. I go, have you used them? He's like, no. And then he starts using them. I guess he found them and I said, where were they? He goes, I don't want to talk about it. You're wasting valuable time.
Well, you see, like the Grateful Dead, Not for Time is not about me. It's about our fan base. So if wasting time is me putting up cameras so that we can record stuff, it's to all my Not for Time heads. So we're gonna have to improvise. You know what we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna carry the picnic table over here because we don't have a ladder.
Oh boy. step, I think, trimming. Trimming the extra material off. I'm glad you do this kind of stuff because you know how I am. I'm not very like exacto. You do much better with this kind of stuff. That knife is compliments of Mr. Eric Deaton, our brother-in-law. He just got it for Christmas for us this year, and look, we're using it already. Eric, we're using it. Thank you for your great gift.
Eric knows his tools. Eric is a hands-on tools guy. So when you get a tool from Eric, you know that it's been vetted.
Okay, babe. Are you done?
I'm done. Went on better than I thought. I have not zipped it up yet, so I want to see. Hopefully it zips up nicely as well. So I'm going to do that right now, and then if that's all good, I think we are finito. Nestled in the heart of the Florida Keys, Key Largo Kampground is a tropical retreat that offers the perfect blend of comfort and adventure. Whether you're an avid fisherman, a passionate diver, or just looking for a relaxing getaway, this charming waterfront campground provides all the amenities needed for an unforgettable stay. The campground features well-maintained laundry facilities, making it easy for guests to refresh their clothing after a long day on the water. The clubhouse serves as a communal gathering space where guests can relax, socialize, and participate in organized events, adding to the warm and friendly atmosphere of the park. For those who love to fish, Key Largo Kampground is a dream destination. With a convenient fish cleaning station, anglers can easily prepare their catch of the day. Whether it's a snapper, grouper, or mahi-mahi, the waters surrounding the campground are teeming with marine life, making it an ideal spot for fishing enthusiasts of all levels. Divers will also find themselves in paradise, as Key Largo is known as the diving capital of the world, with nearby access to world-renowned dive sites, including the beautiful coral reefs of John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park and the famous Christ of the Abyss statue. Underwater explorers can immerse themselves in the vibrant marine ecosystem just minutes from the campground. With its combination of excellent amenities, prime location, and close proximity to world-class fishing and diving, Key Largo Kampground is the ultimate destination for outdoor enthusiasts seeking adventure and relaxation in the Florida Keys.
I just thought this amenity was super cool. They have ice, 10 pounds for $2, and then you can also refill all your water, and those are super cheap prices, I think. So yeah, we'll take advantage of this before we leave, fill our gallon water jugs of water, but this is a great amenity for this campground. I mean, we have been super pleased with this campground so far, so we are a fan of Key Largo Kampground. So to the groceries, I think I spent about $250 or so at the grocery store before we left, which kind of seems like a lot, but we are gone for, I don't know, 10 or 11 days total, and we'll use that money so we don't have to go out to eat all the time either. I told him I didn't want to cook it all on this trip, which I'm really not. Most of the stuff is just grab and go. And we used our leftovers from last night for our meal, for our brunch meal. So it's fish, and I took it over to the clubhouse and used the microwave to heat it up, so it was perfect. So far, it's been really low maintenance, low work, and I think it'll get us through. I'm happy with that.
That's a wrap for this episode, but the adventure isn't over yet. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the Keys all the way to Key West. Along the way, we'll make some exciting stops and kick off our stay at the beautiful Boyd's Campground on Stock Island. You won't want to miss it.